Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel, and today we are going to be bedazzling some shoes. I have a little order to do, so that's exactly what we're going to do today. You guys like my shirt that I made? The OOTD of the day is some little biker shorts that I cut some leggings from, and I did this shirt like a while ago. So yeah, just something to throw on, get comfortable for the day. But thanks for watching, checking back in with me. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And let's get into this video. We are going to be blinging and pearling them out. So that's what we will be doing for today. Alright, y'all. So we have these stones. And we also have these stones, and as always I will be using like really glue, fabric glue, a little pointer, and some little tweezers. So without further ado, let's go ahead and get into it.
If you want a special experience, go to
stop believing that you smoke clear. And let the smoke clear. I got diamonds doing twisty slides in both ears. Dice rolling on the Las Vegas strip tonight. Slip that on and we might miss the fight. Fuck a night, I keep the wallet in my shorty bag. You know she wanna line when she tattoo that ass. I'm a lover boy, she love the toys. Keep it coming, you a rider. Just that roll myself a day and count my figure shit. Just that stepping out, I feel like I'm that nigga shit. I drop 30 on this room, we ain't gon' sleep for shit. If I catch you nodding off, then it's gon' be some shit. Where you can do what you wanna, dip how you wanna, spin what you wanna, be who you wanna be. Where I'm stunned up till I D.I.E. You can do what you wanna, dip how you wanna, spin what you wanna, be who you wanna be. When I'm stunned up till I D.I.E. And I just run it up before I go. Would you tell the world my secrets if I let you close? Yeah, my baby, some action. These days no kumaye, niggas be plastic. Living in the middle, this shit might drive you mad. Feeling pretty mixed up, but this life shit ain't all bad. Blood and murder, there ain't no second chances. Shit crazy. Cause do what you wanna, live how you wanna, spend what you wanna, be who you wanna be. And I'm stunned up till I D.I.E. You can do what you wanna, live how you wanna, spend what you wanna, be who you wanna be. And I'm stunned up till I D.I.E. Before I go, would you tell the world my secrets if I let you close? Yeah, my baby, some action. These days no kumaye, niggas be plastic. Living in the middle, this shit might drive you mad. Feeling pretty mixed up, but this life shit ain't all bad. Blood and murder, there ain't no second chances. Shit crazy. Cause do what you wanna, live how you wanna, spend what you wanna, be who you wanna be. And I'm stunned up till I D.I.E. You can do what you wanna, live how you wanna, spend wanna spit, what you wanna be, who you wanna be. And I'm stunned till I deal. What you wanna dip, how you wanna spit, what you wanna be, who